Hey everybody, it's Carol. I'm going to take you downstairs. I want to show you my leather chairs that are peeling, shredding, falling apart. And I figured out how to cover them. I hope you enjoy. Okay, these are covers for my leather chairs because all my leather chairs, all my leather furniture has shredded and peeled. Look at this, you see? And then look at that. Oh, so first I bought these things, these seat covers. Okay, I'm putting it on tighter. Okay, then I bought these covers for the back, but you see how they're always peeling on the floor. So I found these, and these are tall Parsons, and they're that velour. Oh my goodness, they fit perfect, and they're so soft. So I'll show you. Once I move all this out of the way, because I just don't want this shredding on the floor anymore. Oh, okay. Now we go like that, and then look at that. Wow. Then I'll put this over it, and these I can always wash because, you know, when the kids come, they lean on the chairs. I mean, it's just a common thing. People lean on the chairs, so look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now I have two more to do. Okay. Wow, this is amazing how, I can't believe how this leather peeled. What does that mean? That it was cheap? The chairs weren't cheap. I bought them in Z Gallery in the mall. So I like to just get as much shredded leather gone, because I am so sick of it peeling. So let's see. Look how easy this is. It stretches. Now I had to get the large because it's thick. Most Parsons chairs are the narrow ones. So I had to do a lot of research to find these. So they go down there. Oh, these are so easy. Look at that. And these I could always just wash. And hopefully, oh, this one needs to be washed. But I'll put it this way right now. Next time I do the laundry, I'll wash that. So we've got one more chair. And then we just have to vacuum it up. See, I did that one, this one, and that one. So let's see. Yeah, these need to be washed. I don't know what you do with this leather. I had to replace leather upstairs in my office. Everything that's leather has shredded. So let's see. The long part, whoops, just goes like that. So these are the chairs around the table when I put a double table, a folding table next to my regular dining room table to make a big square. And these are actually before I covered them. You can't tell from the back that they're peeling, but it's from the front that it sheds all over. And it's not just when I have a party, it's every day. Whenever I sit on the chair, it flakes. So I'm glad I finally found a solution. And my grandkids told me that this is an old school vacuum. But it is pink. I got it at Auric in Vegas, and it's nice and powerful. I do have one of those skinny stick ones, which are good for the floor, but not great for the carpet. Whew, I hope this is the end of the shedding. Okay, that is it. Beautiful. And they're washable, and they're soft. They feel good. I never wanted to cover them, but once they started peeling, I have no choice. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you the colors that it comes in. You don't have to have just white. And the price. I'll show it to you right now. Okay, so I found them on Amazon. I mean, I was searching all over the internet. And you see the colors? There's a gorgeous blue. There's black. There's brown. A gorgeous golden yellow. Gray. Burgundy. Teal. Turquoise. A light gray, they call silver, a navy, beautiful, khaki, green. Just look at these gorgeous colors. I love it. And they're machine washable. You can't get any better. And $22 for 2 chairs. That's it. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Stay beautiful, and remember, I love you.